Na ebanu agudie ye wonsa simo oboade de domo man Ghana edroso mu baako eye lithium na ye Kasee EWOYAA na abetodwase eyasase a anase kura lithium ye ewo so pa na ehun hyehyeye no na soafo no hwensase ne mu agudie so de emu leasing krata akwakodan emrase bidwafie domkuma kyese enyade ye papa emwa Ghana sanse ye mfa so kra benya ewo sa lithium na obi betu ehun no eye ketewa bi a ewo se ensakraye bam
Ebra abanda da neto so no EWOYAA mining lease yi eba mrahye bedwam mrahye bedwafo ebogu ya omama kwan amasa ade na ankoso nenso aban baaye won mo sa ade aba so afo hwe asase ni mu ahode no ye ho nsem so Emmanuel Amakofi bu a e kire se
for ratification pursuant to article 268(1) of the 1992 constitution and section 5(4) of Act 703 but was not ratified before the house adjourned. Since then, the basis in which the agreement, especially the price of lithium at the time of the negotiation, was about $3,000. Price of lithium had fallen, the current price to about $630, making the project really at risk in going forward.
Nenso domkuma ne se ehene ne hanya de obeti ase afri se de na etia wo de baaye no saa na we mu so akwakofa de aba wo mu ampene ama ankoso no we kire se
Mr. Speaker, I have the various components the minister has submitted to this house as being the fundamental terms of the agreement between the same two parties. What applied to that agreement in the 8th Parliament, which fortunately was the same speaker in the chair, and which culminated in the rejection of the attempt to lay that agreement. The Speaker, same should apply.